Hey, welcome back again. So I have this Wera 8009 Zyklop pocket set 2. So I guess they have another set before. So this is still made in Czech Republic. Okay, let's take this plastic seal off and let's have a look inside. Oh, they have this tool belt. Okay, so you can put this on your waist. Let's have a look inside what's inside the box. I'll put this tool down, and you have this just information and also the usual fancy sticker. Okay, let's have a look what's inside this little booklet. Just telling you, this is made in Czech Republic. Down the bottom left, they have all the bits. I think it's about 12 bits inside this tool, and some integrated bit magazine. Right, okay, let's take out this tool. So this is the Wera Zyklop pocket size. You have the tool, 3 sockets, and also the adapter, long reach adapter, maybe. Yeah, please tell me, am I right, or what do you guys call this? Yep, okay. So let's take the star of the tool, the Zyklop pocket. So this is the Zyklop. The Wera 8009. Right, okay, you can see these 2 arrows. So all the bits must be here. I'll pull this off. What? Okay, they have that 2 level, so like you can pull one and then pull another one. A little bit flimsy. So pretty much you have the Torx and also the Phillips. Surprisingly, I don't see this flathead. Yeah, I don't see the flathead. Right, okay, let's try this tool. Okay, let me take this adapter, long reach adapter extension, maybe. Yeah, okay, so pull out this star, the top. I'll put this back. Okay, so just put this in. It has the magnet but doesn't have the locking mechanism, the wrap adapter. Okay, not bad. Okay, and then I'll put this extension, put this in. Yep, this one will be locking, and then to the right. So if I twist to the right, it will be locked. It will be working from this side, then just like that. And if you twist to the left, it will be loosening. And also I think they have 5 different direction for the tool. So like this, so like to adjust you have to pull this tab down. Okay, so this one is being 1, and then I'll put this one more, wait, 45 degree, and 3 90 degree, another 45, 4, and 5. Right, really nice tool, I like it. And it has the pocket bag, and then you can put this into your belt, tool belt. Yeah, let's try this socket. So for the socket, they don't have the extension, so like just directly to this anvil. Okay, we just have to put this in just like that. Okay, that's it. 3 sizes. So you have the smallest being the number 8, the purple, number 10, the Wera, and number 13, the green signature Wera. And then, okay, this one is can lose easily, doesn't have a magnet, but yeah, pretty okay. And then you just have to change the direction. Right, I can't remember what's these 2 grooves for, but like I think like to twist the coin maybe, I wasn't so sure. Right, and that's the review for the Wera 8009. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.